Well, good afternoon, you beautiful lot. My name is Paul C, this is WPTuts, and this is just a quick channel update, just to let you know some of the things that are going on and what I want you to be involved in. So the first thing I want to talk about is the new Facebook group that's been set up for WPTuts. This means that all you need to do is simply do a search for WPTuts on Facebook or follow the link in the description below. Request access to our nice private group, and once you're in there, we can all post comments, you can see content updates, you can see exclusive content that's not going to be available anywhere else, and we can all interact with each other so we can help each other learn, support each other, and just share ideas and knowledge. So I'd love it if you head over there, just request access to that group and then become part of the WP crew. The next thing is that every single month I want to run a competition. This competition, basically a giveaway, you don't have to do anything except for become part of the WPTuts mailing list. To do that, you simply head over to wptuts.co.uk/subscribe, drop in your first name, drop in your email address, and then every week you'll get access to an email that'll come out from us that'll tell you exactly what new content's been added. But once a month, at the end of that month, only subscribers on that mailing list will automatically be entered into a competition, a giveaway, and I'm going to give away just something that I think is very, very useful every single month. Now, these are not just sort of freebies for the sake of freebies. These are things that I would use myself. So they could be a theme, it could be a plugin or plugin suite, it could be a service, an online service, something that I would use personally, or I do use personally, and I'd love to share that with one of you. Like I say, all you need to do is become part of the mailing list, and then every month you will automatically be added into that giveaway. So the third and final thing I want to talk about today is the WPTuts website. Now, when I set up WPTuts a couple of years ago, I went through a couple of iterations with the website, and it had about 30 or 40 video tutorials on this, so it was perfectly fine. It wasn't difficult to find anything. However, now up to nearly 350, it doesn't work quite so well. So I'm going back to the drawing board, and we'll take a look at not only restructuring the look of it to make it much more fresh and modern and clean, we're also going back to the drawing board and looking at ways of organizing the content in a more logical fashion. So you'll be able to find things based upon their content. So it could be Jet Engine, it could be Crock-a-Block, it could be Elemental, any of those kinds of things, which you can kind of currently do right now. However, I'm also putting in a level system. So if you're a beginner and you're thinking, I want to learn about Elemental and I'm a beginner, then you can search for the beginner tutorials and just find the beginners based tutorials. If you're more advanced or intermediate, you can take a look at the topics where we cover things like advanced custom fields, Jet Engine, and so on. So hopefully what this will do is it'll make it a much more streamlined, easy way of finding everything. I've also gone through and revamped the entire homepage to make it something that's more of a resource than just a look at me, look at what we can do. So what you're going to find on there is a simple interface that gives you the ability to find the latest tutorials, the most popular tutorials, and also the courses that will be included on the new website as and when they are ready to go. Now, some of these will be free, some of these will be paid for, but the free ones you can have access to. You just simply have to enroll on it, and then you can go through the entire course. The more commercial ones, well, I'll let you know about those as and when they're ready to go. So hopefully what you'll find when the new WPTuts website is released is that it will be a much fresher, much more user-featured, or much more user-orientated experience. Well, that's what I wanted to go through today in our little update on what's going on with WPTuts. I'd love to get your feedback on this below, so drop those comments in the comment section. All those applicable links are in the description. Don't forget to jump over and subscribe so you can be entered into that monthly giveaway and win amazing prizes. As always, my name's been Paul C. This has been WPTuts. Until next time, take care.